हेलो नमस्ते एन्ड गुड मर्निङ। आज फेरि हामीले एउटा नयाँ सेट लिएर आएका छौँ। 2076 श्रावण 21 गतेको सब अवार्सियर फोर्थ लेभलको लागि लोकसेवा क्वेसन है। क्वेसनतिर लागौँ अब। क्वेसन नम्बर 1, अ रिलेटिभली फिक्स्ड पोइन्ट अफ नन एलिभेसन एबभ डाटम इज कल्ड बेन्चमार्क। द मेन प्रिन्सिपल अफ सर्वेइङ इज वर्क फ्रम होल टु द पार्ट. The method of tachymeter in which the observation is made with stadia wires with variable interval is known as movable hair method. Question number 4. The workability of concrete can be improved by more cement अथवा adding more cement. Question number 5. Galvanizing means covering an iron with thin coat of zinc. Sisam is hardwood among deodar, cheer, sisam and pine. Question number 7. Stone having highest crossing strength is niche, but granite has maximum compressive strength. Maximum अथवा हाइएस्ट क्रसिङ स्ट्रेन्थ भनेको छ भने निस, तर हाइएस्ट कम्प्रेसिभ स्ट्रेन्थ भनेको छ भने ग्रेनाइट हुन्छ। क्वेसन नम्बर 8. डिस्टेम्पर इज अ टाइप्स अफ वाटर पेन्ट। अब यसलाई याद गर्नको लागि हामीले यहाँ ट्रिक टु रिमेम्बर दिसलाई हामीले यहाँ डिआइएस डिस भनेको डिस्टेम्पर र टेम्परेचर अथवा टेम्पर, दिस टेम्परेचरमा वाटर धेरै खानु पर्छ हैन। यसलाई हामीले याद गर्न सक्यो भने त एउटा ट्रिक भएर काम गरिदिन्छ यसले। अर्को हेरौँ। द कमनली युज्ड र मटेरियल इन अ manufacturing of cement, that is limestone. In mortar, the binding material is cement, but not sand, surkhi and cinder. Mortar मा हाम्रो binding material cement हो है, तर sand, surkhi र cinder चाहिँ होइन। Question number 11. Oil varnish generally consists of resin, oil and turpentine. The oil varnish generally consists of resin, oil and turpentine. Question number 12. The formwork from the underside of slab can be removed only after 7 days. Question number 13. From the point of view of maximum daylight, the windows in a room should be located on southern side. Question number 14. The most important tool used by mason in laying of bricks while constructing a wall is trowel. Trowel भनेको hand tool for spreading mortar over brick. Question number 15. After storage, the strength of cement decreases. Storage गर्दाखेरि हामीले strength सिमेन्टको strength decrease हुने गर्छ। Question number 16. To construct a 10 cm thick partition wall, you will prefer a stretcher bound. Question number 17. The brick laid with its breadth parallel to the face of a wall is known as header. Question number 18. The maximum size of aggregate used in dam-proof courts is about 10 mm. Maximum size of aggregate used in dam-proof courts is about 10 mm. Question number 19. Which types of foundation is likely to be adopted for 3-story high RCC framed residential building, that is isolated footing? The length of septic tank is 2 to 4 times of the width. L is equal to 2 to 4 times of width. What is the shape of the septic tank? That is rectangular. Poppet valve is a type of air valve. Poppet valve is a type of air valve. The road connecting neighboring country is known as national highway. Question number 24. According to Nepal Road Standard of 2070, the right of way of highway in Nepal is 50. When the bed level of a canal is higher than high flood level of the drainage, then cross drainage work is said to be aqueduct. Most important source of water for public water supply is from rivers. The population growth curve is S-shaped. Population growth curve is S-shaped. The difference level between top of a bank and supply level in a canal is called freeboard. One of the disadvantages of traffic signal is the rear end collision increases. Question number 30. The advantage of traffic signals are to provide orderly movement at intersection, the quality of traffic flow improves, traffic handling capacity increases. A road sign indicating keep left is mandatory sign. A road sign indicating keep left is mandatory sign. Question number 32. Canal constructed for draining of water from waterlogged area are known as drains. 33. If a cement concrete road is properly constructed and maintained, then its expected life will be 30 to 40 years. Question number 34. According to Constitution of Nepal, every citizen shall have freedom of opinion and expression, freedom of assemble peacefully without arms, freedom to move and reside any part of Nepal. 45. Which of the following is not true for sub-metropolitan in Nepal as per Local Government Operation Act 2074? At least minimum 300,000 permanent residents यो चाहिँ हाम्रो फल्स है। त्यसपछि इन्टरनल रेभेन्यू 25 करोड यो ट्रू हो। हायर लेभल टेक्निकल एन्ड भोकेशनल एजुकेसन फेसिलिटी यो पनि ट्रू हो। 36. Which article of Local Government Operation Act 2074 Nepal discuss about the provision of amendment of approved drawing of building? त्यो चाहिँ हाम्रो आर्टिकल नम्बर 34 हो। 37 मा during drawing a stock of T squared is placed adjoining the working edge of the board. T square मा हाम्रो माथिको पार्टलाई हामीले स्टक भन्ने हो भने तलको पार्टलाई हामीले के भन्ने त ब्लेड भन्ने हो। 38 मा working drawing are prepared not for specification. Working drawing are prepared not for specification but it is prepared for bill of quantity, estimation and layout. If the drawing size is smaller than actual size of the object, it is called reducing scale. Question number 40. In case of perspective projection, picture plane is placed between eye and object. The sectional plane are represented by chain thin line having thick edges. 42. Continuous thin or continuous and thin at middle line is used for dimension line. 43. The process of calculating amount, material, labor and equipment for a unit of work together with overhead and profit for the contractor is rate analysis. Question number 44. Specification includes nature of works, quality of material, type of workmanship, but specification does not include dimension. Question number 45. Number of bricks of size 20 cm by 10 cm by 10 cm required 100 meter cube of masonry wall is 50,000. यहाँ हामी हिटमा हेरौँ 100 meter cube by 20 into 10 cm into 10 cm into 10 to the power 6 is equal to 50,000 आउँदो रहेछ। यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले 10 cm बराबर के हो त 10 by 100 गर्ने। त्यस्तै यहाँ 20 by 100 10 by 100 10 by 100 गर्दाखेरि तीनटा 100 छ भने यहाँ हाम्रो 10 to the power 6 माथि आउँछ। Question number 46. The expenses of item which do not come under any regular head of items and cost of unforeseen items are called contingency. Question number 47. The valuation of property is done when owner of the property wants to sell it. Municipal tax, wealth tax, state duty, etc. have to be fixed. Insurance of the property has to be done. Question number 48. Generally, the unit of measurement for partition wall is square meter. Question number 49. The height of instrument method is अथवा HI method is less tedious, more rapid, include less calculation. Question number 50. In chain surveying, tie lines are primarily provided to take offset for detailed survey. Question number 51. A river is an obstacle in chaining but not ranging. Thank you. तपाईहरुलाई यो भिडियो मन पर्यो भने लाइक शेयर र कमेन्ट गरिदिनु होला। हस्त धन्यवाद।